Hi, I'm Colin. I'm the Digital Marketing Coordinator for Destination Lighting, and today I'm installing a light switch and outlet in my guest bedroom. Well, I just got the house last year. It was built in 1954, so everything's original, so it's time to update. I definitely like that mid-century modern look, so I think I'm going to try to stay true to that design. So I like clean modern lines, minimalist, simplistic. The second I saw Legrand come out, I knew I had to install that style because it really fit the design aesthetic that I've got going for the house. This is my first time installing anything electrical, so I'm hoping it's as easy as it looks. I am so glad that I finally got these light switches installed. It makes me really excited to do the rest of my house. It looks amazing. It really updates the whole room. I can't wait to do the rest of the house now. It looks awesome. I think anybody can really install one of these switches or outlets by themselves. I mean, the hardest part was getting the old ones out and in the garbage, to be honest. Really a couple of simple tools that I had around the house and, a few minutes of your time. It was really easy to do. Just don't forget to turn off the power.